Hey crocheters, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, this is where I share crochet projects, patterns, tutorials, and inspiration. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made these super sweet and cute pumpkin earrings. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's get on to making pumpkins. These crochet pumpkin earrings are worked in continuous rounds, so there's no joining or turning at the end of each round. To make the earrings, I used lace weight crochet thread, but to give you a better view of what I'm doing, I'm going to use worsted weight yarn and a size 3.75mm crochet hook, which will result in a cute pumpkin you can use for decorations. So, in a way, this is a 2-for-1 tutorial. Alright, starting with round 1. Make a magic ring and work 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. Round 2. Make an increase of 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around for a total of 12 stitches. Round 3. Make an increase of 2 single crochet stitches in the next stitch, then make 1 single crochet stitch into the next stitch and repeat this sequence around for a total of 18 stitches. Round 4. Make an increase of 2 single crochet stitches in the next stitch, then make 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches and repeat this around for a total of 24 stitches. Round 5. Make an increase of 2 single crochet stitches in the next stitch, then make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches and repeat this sequence around for a total of 30 stitches at the end of the round. Now for rounds 6, 7, 8, and 9, single crochet into each stitch around without increasing. I'll work on that and meet you back here for round 10. Round 10. Make a decrease by single crocheting 2 together. Then make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches and repeat this sequence around for a total of 24 stitches. Round 11. Make a decrease, then make 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches and repeat this around for a total of 18 stitches. Round 12. Make a decrease, then make 1 single crochet into the next stitch and repeat this sequence around for a total of 12 stitches at the end of the round. At this point, you can start adding stuffing to your pumpkin, and you can continue adding stuffing as you go along. But don't overstuff, because if it's too stuffed, then it's harder to shape it later. So keep it a bit on the squishy side. Round 13. In this last round, decrease 6 times. Leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Use a needle to sew the remaining gap, but don't cut the yarn just yet. When you're making this pumpkin with crochet thread, you want to use a smaller needle, like an embroidery needle. Now it's time to shape the pumpkin. Take the yarn needle with the long yarn tail and make sure it's coming from the center of the pumpkin. Insert the needle in or close to the center of the pumpkin and pull it straight through to the other side. This could get a little tricky depending on how much stuffing is in the way. Now bring the needle back to the opposite side so that the yarn is laying over the pumpkin, and insert the needle back through the center or near it and straight through to the opposite side. Pull tight so that the yarn over the pumpkin creates an indent, like the ridges on a pumpkin. Now just repeat that a few more times, like maybe 6 times, making sure the indents are evenly spaced. When you're done making the indents, you can tie a knot, pull the yarn through a few times to weave it in, and then cut the yarn. So cute, but we're not done yet. To make the stem, make 6 chains, or you can make more or less chains depending on how long or short you want the stem to be. Then single crochet into the second chain from the hook and into each chain across. Leave a tail for sewing and cut the yarn. Use a needle to sew the stem into the pumpkin. tie a few knots, and weave in the ends. And there you have a crochet pumpkin. But this video is about crochet pumpkin earrings. So let's attach earring hooks to this tiny little pumpkin. I got my earring hooks from a jewelry making kit off of Amazon, and it came with pliers and this ring to help open and close the tiny little jump rings. So once I've got the jump ring open, I just hook it into the stem, attach the earring hook, and close it. And that's it. This little crochet pumpkin earring is done. I think these pumpkin earrings are super cute and a fun way to dress up an outfit during fall or any season. Wear them to your next Thanksgiving get-together or a trip to a pumpkin patch. You could even add some jack-o'-lantern details and make these part of your Halloween fashion accessories. I hope you liked this tutorial and found some inspiration for your crochet projects. Let me know in the comments if you make these pumpkins and how they turn out. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and following along. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.